In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your password on Loom 2026, step by step. If you're locked out of your Loom account or just want to refresh your credentials, don't worry. This process is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through each part, explain what to expect, and share a few helpful tips along the way so you can get back in smoothly. Start by heading to Loom, either in your browser or via the desktop app. On the home page or the app's welcome screen, look for the login button and click it. This brings you to the sign-in page with the usual email and password fields. Just below those fields, you'll see the option that says Forgot Password. Click that. This is the official way to trigger a secure reset from Loom, and it helps protect your account by verifying that you're the person requesting the change. Next, enter the email address you use for your Loom account. Double check for typos, especially extra spaces or the wrong domain, because the reset link can only be sent to a valid registered address. When you're sure it's correct, click Send Reset Link. Loom will immediately generate an email with a secure link to reset your password. Now, open your email inbox. Look for a message from Loom with instructions to reset your password. If it's not in your main inbox within a minute or two, check your spam or junk folder, and if you use filters or tabs like promotions, check there as well. If you still don't see it after a short wait, refresh your inbox. When the email arrives, open it and click the reset link inside. That link will take you to Loom's password reset page in your browser. For security, these links usually expire after a limited time, so it's best to complete the reset soon after receiving the email. On the reset page, enter your new password and then confirm it. Choose something strong and unique. Aim for a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords from other sites. A password manager can help you generate and securely store a strong option. When both fields match, click Reset Password to save the change. Finally, return to Loom and log in with your email and the new password you just created. If the page was already open, refresh it to ensure the update is recognized. You should now be back in your account, ready to record, share, and collaborate.